Good morning. This is Mr. Weimer with TSDC Waco campus. Today we're going to be going over these open face relays and hopes to make them understandable a little bit easier. This seems to be one of our biggest hurdles in basic electricity. So let's talk through them. On your board, you're going to find you have two 24-volt coil relays and one 120-volt coil relay. It is very important that when we're wiring up our relays, we use the proper one with the voltage we're working. If we put 120 volts to our coils on these, it's going to burn them up really quickly. If we try to put 24 volts to the coil on this one, it's most likely going to hum and not actually actuate. So these are the only things on our boards that are really voltage specific, and it only pertains to the coils of the relays. So I'm going to wire it up, and hopefully y'all seeing it wired up will kind of demystify it. So we're going to start by going to L1. If we look on the side of our relays here, we can see a few connections here. This one right here goes to our coil, which is up under in the middle here, and that's what controls this armature. So let's go to a switch. We're going to come out of our switch, go to one side of our coil, come out of our coil, and go back to neutral. So when I go to plug this board in, I should be able to make this actuator go up and down. All right. Always make sure your board's been verified by your instructor before you plug it in. All right. So if we look at this, nothing has power with the exception of our coil. So when I go to actuate this switch, if we look closely, our relay is de-energized. When I flip this switch, it closes and sucks down that armature. So any voltage we have applied to these poles are going to go through this wire, through this metal bar, up this metal wire, into this armature. And now that it's energized, it's sucked down and it's going to this wire, to this normally open contact. If I de-energize the coil, now the voltage that we apply here is going to fly up, go out this top hole, down, and through here. So let's go ahead and add some light bulbs to demonstrate this. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our L1 and we're going to go to our pole to our left side here. All right. Then, out of our normally open set of contacts, we're going to go to this red bulb. We're going to come out of our red bulb. Well, quite can't reach my wire here, but L1 is the same as right here. So I'm going to just reach down and grab that one. So for our blue bulb, same thing. We're going to go to our neutral. But this time, as soon as I grab this wire, onto this terminal, that blue bulb should come on because our coil is de-energized. I'm going to be hooking it up to our normally closed set of contacts. So as I actuate this coil, so it's currently de-energized, we have 120 volts hitting our pole, going through this wire, up through this metal wire, through the armature, into that normally closed set of contacts, down to our normally closed contact, powering our bulb. But when I energize this coil, this blue light's going to go off and this red light should come on, because I'm going to be diverting electricity from this path down to this path. These coils have essentially 3 separate circuits. We have our relay coil, our control coil. So that is voltage specific. The voltages go into our poles. We can put any voltage we want up to 600 volts through this relay. In our lab, we're only dealing with 120 volts and 24 volts. But again, like I said, as we just cycle this, we can see energized, sucks the armature down, and now sends the voltage going to our pole out of our normally open set of contacts. We de-energize it again. Now it's going back through our normally closed set of contacts. It's the energizer board. It's always important to unplug your board before you start unwiring things to prevent any electrical shocks. Last thing we want you to do is get injured trying to learn electricity. I hope seeing this relay work up front will help you out a little bit. If not, you can get with your instructor and they should be able to provide a little bit more assistance to get you to understand these. Again, like I said, this seems to be one of the biggest hurdles most students struggle with, and I hope this helps. Thanks for your time.